Hello everyone and welcome to Learning to Know. In this video we are going to learn how to use Linux command in Windows operating system. So for this you have to ensure that your Windows is upgraded to the latest version, and then you have to go to any web browser. So I'm using Chrome. Here you have to search for WSL and hit enter. Click on the first link. Then this is the documentation of WSL, which is a project of Microsoft. WSL stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. And in this documentation, it says to open PowerShell as administrator and run it. So go to the search bar and here search for PowerShell. You have to right click and run as administrator. Then it will ask for permission. You have to click on yes. This is the thing that we want. And after this you have to copy this thing. So you have to just click on here and go PowerShell and paste here, Control V, and hit enter. What it will do, it will just install WSL on your Windows. After this, scroll a little bit down and copy the second one. Again paste it here, Control V, and hit enter. It will enable your WSL for your Windows, and after this you have to copy the third one too. So copy the third one, again paste it here, Control V, and hit enter. And this is for upgrade your WSL to version 2. And after this we have to download Linux from Microsoft Store. So go to the Microsoft Store and here search for Linux and hit enter. There are different kind of Linux, so I will recommend this too. So for this video I'm gonna install Ubuntu. So click on it. Okay, for the first user, if you are installing this the first time, then here you will see Get option. Just click on it. But I'm using this second time, that's why I have this install option, so I should click on it. It will take some time to download. Let it be downloaded. After downloading, you have to launch the application. So click on launch button. So it is installing Ubuntu. After installing, it will ask for your username. Give your username, whatever you want. So I'm using user. So hit enter and giving the password. And don't be panic. If you type any password, it will be hide here. So just type it. Type the same password again and hit enter. And this is ready to use now. So if you use a command clear and hit enter, it will clear the console. And now if you want to see the file where this is located, then you have to use Windows R. Then you have to type /WSL $, and hit OK. You can see the Ubuntu file here. Double click here here have home user where you are in now. So if you write here pwd and hit enter, it will say present work directory. So this is home slash user, and here this is also home user directory. So if you create any directory here using mkdir and your name and hit enter, it will create a directory. If you want to see, then you have to write ls and hit enter again. You can see here have only on directory, and that you created. And if you refresh this, you can see a directory that you have created using command. So in this way you can learn all the Linux commands in Windows operating system. So this is for today. Allah Hafiz.